So you have lung issues, you're coughing up phlegm, you don't know how to stop it, whatever the issue with the lungs, you can fix it. You just need to stop eating the foods that are causing this response, okay? You have mucus all over your cells, they protect you. When you eat foods that are alien to the body, this mucosa is stirred up, okay? It's gonna try and come out, push things out. But if you push it in and keep it in, it eventually becomes chronic, okay? And it becomes an issue. So you always wanna bring out the phlegm. You wanna stop eating the foods causing it, the milk, the dairy products in general, the cooked starches and the meats. You want to stop doing that. And you want to eat the fruits and fruits alone until you clear up all that mess up here, okay? Chances are if you are congested here, you're congested all over the body as well. So you want to drain all the acids out of your body. Start eating fruits and fruits alone for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're going to do this for as long as it takes until it clears up, okay? Then you want to take a lung tea and lung formulas, lung herbs, okay? Herbs like these, you make a tea and you drink it and it clears out the mucus inside you.